Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern, trending, and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. In today's video, we will diving into the essential role of bedroom wardrobe. Whether you are looking to maximize space, enhance your room's decor, or simply keep your belongings organized, a wardrobe is a must-have in any bedroom. We will explore various style, features, and tips to help you choose the perfect wardrobe that fits your needs and complements your space. So let's get started on transforming your bedroom into a more functional and stylish oasis. A bedroom wardrobe is not just a piece of furniture, it plays a crucial role in the overall functionality and aesthetics of a bedroom. Firstly, it serves as a primary storage solution, helping to keep clothing, shoes, and accessories organized and easily accessible. This organization is essential for maintaining a tidy living space, which can significantly contribute to a calming and stress-free environment. When everything has its space, it reduces clutter and enhances the overall ambience of the room. Moreover, the design and style of wardrobe can greatly influence the bedroom's decor. A well-chosen wardrobe complements the room's theme, whether it's modern, traditional, or minimalistic. The material, colors, and finishes can add character and elegance to the space, making the wardrobe a focal point that enhances the room's aesthetic appeal. Therefore, selecting a wardrobe that elegance with personal style and the overall design scheme is vital for creating a cohesive look. Functionality is another key aspect of bedroom wardrobe. Many modern wardrobes come equipped with various features such as built-in drawers, shoe racks, and adjustable shelves. These features maximize storage efficiency and clutter to individual needs. For instance, a wardrobe with a dedicated space for shoes or accessories can streamline the dressing process, making it easier to find and select the outfit. Additionally, some wardrobes include mirrors, which can be both practical and stylish, allowing for quick outfit checks without needing a separate mirror. Finally, a wardrobe can contribute to the overall value of a home. High quality, well designed wardrobes can enhance the appeal of a bedroom, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Investing in a durable and stylish wardrobe is not only beneficial for daily use but can also be a wise functional decision in the long run. In summary, a bedroom wardrobe is essential for organization, aesthetic, functionality, and even property value, making it a significant element in any bedroom design. And that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the importance of a bedroom wardrobe. Remember, a well-chosen wardrobe not only helps keep your space organized but also adds to the overall aesthetic of your room. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What features do you consider essential in a wardrobe? We do love to hear from you. Until next time, happy decorating. Bye.